Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to manage our active status in Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Currently, I'm only focusing on the web version, and do note that you can do this from your mobile device as well. Initially, what we need to do is simply click on the button on the top left. It's something like this. It has your profile picture along with your name. I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. On the left hand side, what you need to do is simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, just below read receipts, you'll see something like activity status, and below it, recently active status. Click on this button right here, and something like this will open up that says recently active status. Do note that I have already disabled it. In context that it is enabled, what you need to do is simply click on this button right here. And doing this makes sure that members will not be able to see our recently active status. Well guys, that's it. That's how we manage active status in Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.